In this tutorial, I will show you how to install JDK 14.0.2, NetBeans 12.1, javafx 15, then SceneBuilder 11.0.0 on Windows 10 64-bit. Let's go to Oracle website, click Products, Java, download Java. We are looking at Java SE 14, JDK download. Windows 64 bits installer, agree, download. I'm going to keep it. Next, try to remember install directory. Close. Now we are going to set up environment variable, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, new, class path, current directory, period, new, Java home. This is where Java is installed. Paste it. Okay. Let's add JDK install directory to path, and Java home, and under binary directory, bin. Okay, okay, okay. Let's double check. Here we type Java and C and the version. If you see this is okay. Now we move to NetBeans. At this point it looks like 12.0. Click. You can change to 12.1. So change to number 1. It eventually will appear on your web browser. I'm going to install 64 version on Windows 10. Click and download. Here's the download NetBeans 12.1. Double click. Next, agree with the license agreement. I'm going to use with JDK 14.0.2. Just check the installation directory. Don't have to check for updates. It's pretty new. Just make sure you are online while you are doing installation. Okay, finish. Let's launch NetBeans 12.1. I'm going to import what I have previously. 12.01. At the beginning, it doesn't look like the fully functional. Let's check the installation 12.1 JDK with 14.0.2. You may have to wait for 20 seconds maybe. So here you go. Let me import. That's from my previous NetBeans 12.0. Next, I agree. So what's going on is it's going to download missing plugins for fresh installations. Okay, done. Let's create a new project. Here, new Java application is going to bring it up one more called NetBeans Java C API. Basically, it's going to download missing plugin and activate Java SE for NetBeans. So you have to be online. As you can see, it's starting modules, turn on modules. So now you see NetBeans has more options. If you look at the toolbar, now it's fully functional. Finish. So I just create a Java project. For simple demonstration, I'm going to just say hello world and then compile and run it. Compile, then run it. Hello world. Next one is javafx 15. Let's download javafx SDK 15. So for installation, we can unzip it to Java directory. Under C drive, program files and Java. Continue. JavaFX library is on the library directory. We also need JavaFX SceneBuilder. Latest build is 11. So that you can use with JavaFX 11 or a higher version. SceneBuilder installation is straightforward. Load it. Upset the license. So SceneBuilder is installed on the program files, SceneBuilder. Let's integrate with NetBeans. Go to Options, Java, JavaFX. Just making sure you point to SceneBuilder installation directory. Let's create a new project, JavaFX, FXML application. If you're using JDK 8, you can do that, or you can also use JavaFX application. But with JDK 11 or 14, you have to start with Java application project, then eventually you can convert to JavaFX project later on. Let me delete. Typically, JavaFX application, we need fx main. Let me name it as fx main. Also, we need fxml. I will use it as it is. And then controller that link between Java application and fxml documents. I will skip CSS. So here it says that JavaFX application cannot locate JavaFX library. So let's go to libraries. Add jar. You can browse through JavaFX SDK library. First one, library. Typically we need at least 4 of them. Open. Okay. Now errors will disappear. Let's clean and build. Seems okay. Okay, run it. Here it says that JavaFX runtime components are missing. So properties and then runtime here. We need to use VM options. Let your JavaFX application knows we have additional module. To JavaFX SDK 15 library. Make sure you don't leave space between controls and then fxml. This time we have a different error. Let's go to properties, deployment. This time we will switch Java project to JavaFX deployment model. We are going to use what we already have. fx main, modify, okay. Run file. Okay, here you go. It works. Let's try to use a SceneBuilder. Open with the SceneBuilder. Let me create one button, one label. We need to use FX IDE. I will say btn per button. btn OK. Event handler, I will say handle btn OK. For label, LBL stands for label. OK. Let's save. We should update the source code, so make controller. Here is the events handler. LBL OK, set text. OK button is clicked. Clean and build. Again, here, please run with fx main. So we have one button. When you click it, it says OK button is clicked. That's all. Thank you.